What's going on, guys? 307 here. Glenn, I got your amp fixed up. Replaced your power wires with the ones you sent. It's crazy to think how many times that old amp's been hooked up for those wires to be that short. But anyway, we're going to use the Cobra 29. I got it dialed back. 5-watt slug, run at 14.3. Audio, 30 watts. Turn it down a little bit more. Audio, yeah, we'll keep it around 30. 6 average audio. Pass through tune, audio. Turn your box on. Let's see here. Go low. Audio about 130. Audio 3/4 of a watt. Go medium. Audio 250. Audio. I'd probably run that old amp on medium. Audio test. Flip her up on high. Audio 320. And that's with 30 watts of drive on 14.3, and these are 455s. Anyway, Glenn, thank you, sir. Appreciate your business. Later, guys.